In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a Replit AI web app into an APK file. Open up Replit, then click on apps and just find the app which you want to convert into an APK file. Open up the app itself. Then right here, we will need to get the link for this app. So click on publish, republish, and you will get the URL. So copy your app's URL and then you will need to go to this website, median.co. This is going to turn your Replit web app into a native app and you will get the APK file. Paste the link itself here for your app and click on build your app. Once you click on build your app, then it might take a little bit of time here and it's going to ask for the app name. I'm just going to leave it as an example, my app, and you will click on start building my app. Okay, so from here, if you click on simulator, it is going to expand the bar and you will see the progress for Android phone. This is going to be the APK file. Okay, so click on build and download from the left hand side and you should see apk/aab file. Again, you will need to click on build, and once this has completed building, then it's going to let you download the APK file directly. So we are just going to wait for that to complete. It might take a little bit of time depending on the complexity of your project. So right here, it should complete very soon because this is a simple app which I'm using. And you will see current and the download button. If you click on download, you will see download APK and you can just download your APK file that way. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.